Eh? How did we lose one? Nothing.
Wonder why there's a bank out here?
Yeah, hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful, haven't we, Dave?
What?
Yeah, of course I checked. Oh, man. Yo, check yourself! What the? Take that!
No time for jokes.
This is... You can't...
We got a breach headed towards the medieval section.
Whoa,
Really?
yeah, that's when I decided I should probably get a different job.
Sir? You might want to come look at this. I'm getting chaos readings at 10.6. It's coming from the museum.
My god, it's over 9? You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll... Stop right there!
We got chaos at our front doorstep! We're not built to deal with this, man! Go, evacuate everyone. I can take you.
Wow, this guy really is a moron. Can't believe he doesn't know how to open a door. Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller.
Oh, get away!
Now I've got you.
Yeah, you know new one, Henry? He's dead. Yes. Put him with others. Okay.
You want to trade arts? Yours looks so nice. Frosty's escaping! I have to say, Henry, I'm impressed.
Hi. Yes, hello. Hey. Oh, come on. Are you serious? That was totally you. You won.
Thanks. Can you believe this inmate outbreak? Crazy, huh?
Yes, it is pretty crazy.
I guess. Now let's get out of here.
Confirmed reports are telling us they are shipping the...
I think we should throw it in the cart, just to be safe. Oh, it was a fake.
Oh, and bro. Okay, everyone, today's the day. Harry, nice to see you again. Who's your friend?
We got some delinquents on the window of the control tower.
I'll take care of it.
Yeah.
Who will challenge me? So... what a move. Camp Henry! I heard you died. Under attack? Maximize the shield. Station's been destroyed.
Getting upset, just look at me. I am the dancing robot. Oh yeah.
A minute. I know you. You're the guy that arrested the airship
The
division.
orbital station allows the Topic clan to easily
Chief, our satellites have picked up a hostile object.
Completely missed. Oh no, you don't. Hey, Reg. Yeah, I found that intruder.
Yes, sir. We found them.
They took me back here just like you said.
2 enemies towards the launch tower. Into your training. This is only the beginning.
Look, you're not allowed to change heads, alright? Now drop it.
Eat up. What is this guy doing?
Oi, Chief. Got a clear shot here.
Yes, going.
Not on my watch.
Welcome to Stickmin Space.
You thought you took me out.
Be advised, Henry's escaped. He's locked himself in Armory 7. Who left this? Oh.
Do I gotta do everything around here? Where'd he go?
He took out our central core. We don't have any power.
Balls, the train's in trouble. I can't stop it!
I'm on the way.
Get a bullet through the tunnel!
Do I have to do everything myself?
Get in.
Why don't we go at the back? Oi! No luck, boss. Can't find it anywhere.
And forgetting.
Henry, we gotta put a stop to this topic.
What is happening? Where have you been?
I helped you escape, and you just left me.
I say we throw him overboard. Who's with me?
Take any loyalists to the brig.
No longer the leader of the Topet clan.
Henry's still the leader.
I've had enough of this.
Now.
What was that?
What now, boss? Looks like we're on our own.
Don't wanna get through, man.
We've got company.
We need to ship out right now. And $10 as he shows up and stops on top. Did I get him? Ooh, minor chaos readings here. Permission to engage.
What hit him?
Oh. Whoa, what's going on?
I have no idea.
You protected the clan.
Yeah.
Wow, you're learning so quickly.
Henry.
お前は私もうスタンのね。
Losing altitude. I gotta get out of here. What are you going to do? Anyone available? There's an attacker in the cockpit. Looks like we'll be sharing this last ride together. Was it worth it? Oi, Dave. Yep. Hey, I got a package here for someone named Henry. I love delivering packages.